Alrighty, boys. So we got the, we are making fucking waves here, boys. Look at that, the way that door's shutting. Look at these fucking, we got her all sanded. We're gonna take the bumpers off next, just so they're not in the way. We got the mirror off. This side's being like super fucked, so we're gonna, I think we're just gonna leave this one on. Or I'm gonna pull the door and grind these fucking heads of these bolts off. Because they're so rusted that we can't get them from the outside. Alrighty, so like I said, we got the fucking window off, or sorry, the mirror off. We just cut the heads of the bolts, tapped them out. It's gonna make the paint a hell of a lot easier to lay down. Just one fucking stripe across, you don't gotta fight any mirrors or that. And we're gonna take the bumpers off next. Let's get her licked. Keep your fucking sticks on the ice. Look at the cut we got here, boys. Close to the main fucking artery. We nearly lost the fucking main star of the show here. Holy fuck. Let's get her licked. Alrighty, so we got front bumper off. Rear bumper's off. And I fucking can't understand how anyone can like a roll pan. It makes the back of the truck look fucking weird. I don't know. If you're one of the guys who likes the roll pans, not for me. Anyways, she's ready to get one more fucking quick sand on her, and then we'll prime her. We got the hood here. She's been sanded, but we'll fucking sand her some more. Wow, baby. Fucking crazy. Looks so good from back here. Holy fuck. Fucking ladies and gentlemen, squirrels and girls, look at this. Oh my lord. That is fucking mint. The big bugger. So we're gonna get her painted Old Faithful 2 on there, because this is obviously Old Faithful 2. And we got the marks of Old Faithful 1 there on the old fucking, on the bed there, so looking good. What a beauty. Well, there it is, boys. We just put these mirrors, these lights that my uncle gave me on there. And we got the bug guard on. Looking good. And wow, it's gonna look good with those lit up. Alrighty, boys, so we're just continuing on here. We got fucking camera lens. Oh, it's still better. Fuck. Look at that. We got her off. Grandpa! See you later, Grandpa. You checking everything out under there? What a fucking nut.
Probably go a little less than that. Probably go here.
Hey.
Start here. And then I'll go there. Because you need to leave a lip.
We're filming.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, film this, yeah, so we're gonna fucking cut. We're gonna start cutting here. And then
See what's happening.
see what's happening. And then we'll cut more. We know the top of the fender is gonna be around here.
Looking like a hipster build.
Sort of like that. It'll obviously be taller.
Mm-hmm.
You get the idea. So what I want to do is sort of like
Bang, bang.
pliers that I have.
Rachel gave you a cookie.